Now, good morning. I am Dr. JMR. Today, we are going to learn about the total number of calculation of total number of electrons, protons as well as neutrons. So here, just many students, so naturally they are having some confusion. How to calculate the number of electrons, protons as well as neutrons. Generally, suppose we'll take a sodium atom. If Na is there, generally we can call it as sodium atom. If positive or negative ions are there, we can call it as ion. So if it is a positive ion is there, generally we can call it as cation. Why? It is a positive charge. Similarly, suppose you take second one, magnesium. Then if Mg is there, then you have to tell atom. Then here what happened? Magnesium, Mg2 plus ion. Then this is cation. If positive charge is present, we can call it as cation. Then here, suppose you take O, oxygen atom. O atom. Then O2 minus. This is called ion. We can call it as anion. Then here what happened? Fourth one, nitrogen atom. Then here N3 minus ion. Then we can call it as water ion. N3 minus. Sodium anion. So like this here what happened? Here how to calculate the number of electrons, protons as well as neutrons in an atom. Then we'll see one by one. First we'll go through that Na. So here Na and Na plus. So here in Na we'll calculate how many electrons are present. So here generally sodium atomic number is 11, then mass number is naturally 23. So a sodium atomic number is 11, then here atomic weight that is atom mass of sodium is 23. Then here electrons, protons as well as neutrons. Suppose first we'll calculate the number of neutrons. It is nothing but 23 mass minus atomic number. You will get a 12 neutrons. Means what? Suppose we'll take here how many number of neutrons are present in Na plus means here 23 minus 11 you will get 12 neutrons. Means here if it is the atom or ion, here these values that is mass as well as atomic number is always constant. So here 23 minus 11 you will get 12 neutrons. Then here what about number of protons? Number of protons here atomic number is 11, here also 7, here what happened? Protons are 12 like this, 11. So here also same 11. So here there is no change in the number of protons. Whether it is a sodium atom or sodium ion, there is no change. Means only change in the respective what you call number of electrons. Actually here what happened? Here 11 electrons and 11 electrons will write. But here due to zero charge, so automatically will write 11 electrons. Then here positive means minus 1 electron. Here you will get 10 electrons are present. Means here there is no change in number of neutrons. There is no change in number of protons. Only change in their number of electrons. Why? Here electrons are present in the outermost shell. They are ready to lose electrons and ready to accept and convert into what you call stable electronic configuration. So anyway, this is like this. We'll go for next example. Suppose if it is a magnesium. Next, how many electrons, how many protons and how many neutrons are present in a magnesium? We'll go through that. Magnesium. Then we can call it as this is magnesium water atom. Then this is called a magnesium ion. So here magnesium. How many electrons are present afterwards? How many protons are present here? Here atomic number is 12, then mass is 24. So here atomic number of protons is equals to 12 protons. Why? They are equals to atomic number. Then here automatically what happened, if it is the ion or atom, whatever it may be, 12 protons are the constant. 12 protons. Then what about number of neutrons? That is 24 minus 12, you will get 12 neutrons. Similarly what happened, 24 minus 12 is equals to 12 neutrons. Means these two values are constant. Only differ in their number of electrons. Here there is no means there is no charge, so that is why what happened, you have to tell 12 electrons. But here what happened, how many positive? 2 positive ions are there. 2 positive means what? 12 minus 2, then you will get 10 electrons. So like this, if it is a positive, then you have to what you call a minus. You have to subtract from 2, from this atomic number, you will get number of electrons. This is very important. Only differ in their number of electrons. There is no change in number of protons. There is no change in number of neutrons. This is called naturally positive means cation. Now we'll go see in anion. For example, how many electrons are present in oxygen atom and oxygen ion? Suppose you take O, naturally 816, then O 2 minus, that is 816. This we can call it as what beta? Anion. This is called oxide ion. Oxide ion. So anyway, here how many electrons, how many protons, as well as how many neutrons are present in this. Then here suppose first we'll take a number of neutrons, 16 minus 8, mass minus atomic number, you will get number of neutrons. Similarly here what happened, 16 minus 8 is equals to what? A number of neutrons. In both what happened, whether it is atom or ion, means they are having same number of neutrons. Then here how many protons are there? Atomic number is equals to always number of protons. There is no change in number of protons. Only change in number of electrons. Then how it contains, there is no charge, so that's why they are what it contains, 8 electrons. Then what about this ion? So in ion 8, but due to presence of negative, minus means you have to add. How will you get negative charge? By attracting, by gaining 2 electrons, it is converted to what? 10 electrons, like this. Means they are having same number of protons as well as same number of neutrons, but they are differ in their number of electrons. Then we'll see next what you call ion, that is nitride ion. So here next one, that is nitride ion. How many electrons, how many protons, as well as how many neutrons are present in a nitride ion? Means first you take nitrogen, 7, 14. Then another one is 7, 14 only, but here I would like to tell 3 minus. This is called nitride ion. Nitride ion. Okay, anyway, how many electrons, how many protons, as well as how many neutrons are present? So here we'll go through neutrons. Here neutrons, 14 minus 7, you will get 7 neutrons, and automatically what happened, in ion also there is no change in what you call a number of neutrons, whether it's atom or ion. So here 14 minus 7 is equals to 7 neutrons. Similarly, how many protons are there? 7 protons. Here also same, 7 protons. How? Protons are always equals to number of what you call atomic number equals to what beta? Number of protons. Then what about number of electrons? Here atomic number is equals to number of electrons. Why? There is no charge. on nitrogen atom, so that is why here there is no charge. Then here how many electrons are present in nitride ion? So 7 plus 3 electrons, automatically what happened? 10 electrons are present. Means only they are differ in their number of electrons. Means in the reaction, by donating or by taking only from the valence shell, so that is why it is differ in their number of electrons. There is no difference in protons as well as neutrons. Thank you. In next session, we are going to calculate number of electrons, protons and neutrons in ions. Thank you.